Hello and welcome to the channel Make Money Online. This channel is completely dedicated to share the ways to make money online through different ways with zero or small investment. We aim to enrich you personally, professionally and of course financially, helping you to enhance your income, investment and improve the standard of living of all our fellow global citizens who are looking and often trying to earn online. This channel is the right landing for you to fuel up and equip yourself with the right tools, options, ways and your mindset to earn money online and offline as well. Another purpose is to encourage and sharpen the entrepreneurial skills within us, as we believe many of us do possess it but we often are unaware of our undiscovered and/or hidden skills. So idea is to educate, enlighten and enrich our entrepreneurial sides. I'm here to share all the possible and cheap ways to make money online by acting smartly and making best use of our time and resources without any significant investment. I'm a guy with a financial background and more than 15 years of experience in many sectors of business industry. I'm a very strong advocate of entrepreneurship and business acumen, so I've finally decided to share the ways with my global citizen because sharing is caring. This and all the upcoming videos are made to help and navigate you to make money online from zero money to a small or minimum investment. If you find the introduction useful and willing to learn how to make money online, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you may not miss the upcoming series of videos that will finally make you earn money at home through this very screen of your computer that you're staring at. We appreciate your time and promise that it will be one of the best useful time online that you might ever had spent on.